We especially enjoy each and every corner of the home, and the thing is, आपण राहतोय पुणे, ज्याला आपण म्हणतो की सांस्कृतिक कॅपिटल आहे, आणि आपण जसे वागतो, बोलतो, कपडे घालतो, विचार करतो, तशा पद्धतीचं घर असावं अशी एक कल्पना होती. आणि वी आर रिअली व्हेरी हॅपी दॅट आवर विजन केम इनटू रियालिटी.
If you love timeless home interiors, rich classic finishes and wooden carvings, you're going to adore this one. Hi, I'm Shreya Joshi, the interior designer for this project, and I'm so excited to take you to the walkthrough of this beautifully handcrafted home. Let's begin. मी जर तुम्हाला सांगितलं की मी आता एका सुंदर वाड्यात बसली आहे, तर would you agree? Basically, this home interiors is completely inspired by the Vada Sanskruti, the Vada theme, which was the ancient theme. Let's have a grandeur look of the ambience that this home is inspired by. I'm so confused. I don't know which area of this house is not describable, but I think by the end of the video you will get your answer. Here, this is the area which is outside of our house, but still it's beautifully crafted. Stone cladding that you see here, or the pillars, and of course our unit. The unit again is a combination of drawers and shutters, but it are also decorified or modified with certain wooden carvings and ceramic handles. This is so beautiful, isn't it? It's actually all handcrafted teak wood door. The door panel is nicely wooden crafted with pillars and moldings. Isn't it beautiful? The wall behind me is not just a random wallpaper. It's actually a 3D handcrafted mural. This is inspired by the theme called Tree of Life. This is actually the center of attraction for this area that we call as the seating area of this living room. Here we have elevated the space with handcrafted wooden pillars, wooden sofas, and of course the swing behind me. Let's move to the TV unit area. Here it's a perfect example and a perfect balance of functionality and form. We have the fluted panels just to add the decor, the shimmering stone back panel, and some open boxes unit here. The open boxes unit basically helps my client to showcase all the artifacts that they love to have. Let's move to the most cozy and the most calm area, the balcony of course. The sit-out balcony has a base unit with cords, also all the traditional elements that you can see here. On the other wall, we have a art form called as Pattachitra and jute work. On the other side, we have a vertical gardening done, which is my client's most loved hobby, along with याला आम्ही तुळशी वृंदावन म्हणतो, a stone तुळशी वृंदावन. Now that we had a look to the most lavish and the grandeur area and the space of the living area, let's move to the area where it all starts. It's a very soothing and a peaceful unit, which is the entrance unit of this area. Can you hear the soothing sound of the waterfall? That's exactly how we wanted the entrance. We have incorporated a stone finished water fountain right in the entrance area, which follows with the entrance foyer unit, which has also a cords on the countertop, and the base is made in shimmer stone laminate, which has drawers and combination of shutters as well. Let's now step into the heart of every house, the kitchen. Our kitchen is a fully loaded L-shaped kitchen where we have all the base, the wall, as well as the loft units incorporated perfectly, but still in just a monochromatic color theme. You see all the base units here are in white Duco finished classic shutters, along with the grays matte finishes on the wall, plus the printed monochromatic Moroccan tiles, which is black and white in theme, are the highlight of this particular kitchen. While the aesthetics and monochromatic theme goes good with the design, we have not forgotten that kitchen is all about the practicality and functionality. We have incorporated every type of unit that every kitchen needs. It has a tall pantry unit, the microwave unit, the drawers, the tandem drawers, the oil pull-out, the dish drainer unit, some open box units just to add a little decor. Of course, the aesthetics blends great with all the functionalities. After a fully loaded kitchen, let's move on to the most space-saving unit that we have, which is of course the award-winning unit of this area. This is the dining table. It's a folding dining table made with the wall units, the loft units, for storage purpose. Of course, you know how Indian kitchen works. So we have laminate options along with the cane finish made for the shutters. Isn't it a very pretty, elegant but a space saving unit? After the elegant dining area follows with the passage. Of course, the passage connects us with the bedroom areas. The wooden beddings and the ceramic handles add the exact aesthetics we need for this wardrobe. Another highlight of this room is this beautifully and intricately crafted wooden moldings, which adds the perfect balance to my king size hydraulic lifter bed, along with the soothing lights which are very eye catching. You know what's another highlight of this room? A hidden yet a tall dresser unit, which has a mirror on the shutter and shelves inside which incorporates all your cosmetics. You know, ladies, what I'm talking about, right? Also a half hanging sections which is perfect for keeping all your used clothes. And yet, as soon as you close the shutter, isn't it very seamless along with the huge wardrobe that you see? We have talked a lot about all the technicalities. Let's come to the decor part. You see the quilt, the bed sheets, the headboard, the wooden crafted moldings, also the curtains, and don't miss the wooden flooring. Everything blends perfectly with each other, though it's all contrast in colors. Yet we have used the minimal color palettes. It's all traditional aesthetics blended perfectly with the modern practicality. So now let's continue to the parents' bedroom. You know, the same soulful story of this bedroom continues and flows right also in our parents' bedroom. While designing the master bedroom, we realized that maybe the color scheme, the color themes, the duco finish, the whites, the browns is exactly what my client wants. So even here in the parents' room, you will find a hint or a tint of the same color schemes even in this bedroom. The most and the foremost important part of our interiors is also electricals, the lighting. You see right now only some mood lightings are switched on, but even then if you want to have an ambience that helps you with the calmness of the room, the natural light is also what you use. But if you want to see how the mood lighting and the ambience creates, it's on my click. This colorful journey also continues on the decor wall here. We have some jharokas made as a decor element for the wall just to elevate the space. As I said, it's a parent's bedroom and we wanted to have the ancient elements also in the room. This is as a legacy that follows. These are the jharokas. While we have the modern touch arcs on the wardrobe, we have jharokas on the wall. It is called as konade in Marathi, along with the ancient wall hung and wall mounted lights, just to simplify and modify the complete look of this bedroom. You must be wondering why I'm holding this. Basically, along with the wardrobe, you see seamlessly fits a unit which is a hidden unit. It's a tall dresser unit. It helps you creatively and effectively keep all your stuff, all your cosmetics right in the shelf, which are the pocket shelves, along with the half hanging section and a tall mirror. We not just focus on designing, we also focus on utility and space saving units. This kid's bedroom is a perfect example that not every kid's room has to be colorful. It can still be simple and elegant. Here, along with the elegance and the design, we have also incorporated the functionality. So here it is a Murphy bed. A Murphy bed is a perfect example of functionality where the space is completely saved for kids to have their fun. The wardrobe, as you can see, is made again in the two parts, one in the right and one in the left, while keeping our center of attraction right in the middle of this. So the Murphy bed is decorated with a wallpaper, as you can see here, just to put some elegance. When we are talking about a kid's room, a study table is mandatory, right? So we have designed this particular study table just to be a little colorful and playful, along with some open box units here, as you can see, just for his books, his toys and everything that he wants to showcase. So we talked about how spacious this kid's room is, but as per the design, let's also talk about the functionality. Once you open the Murphy bed, this is how beautifully designed and curated the space becomes. This corner that you see is the most comfort and the most spacious corner for the person who uses this bed. Isn't it perfect?
Love this home? Imagine what we can create for you. From smart storage to stunning designs, we bring your dream home to life. Get in touch with DesignCafe today and start your design journey.